So we're here with Michelle. Michelle, why did you join ForeverStrong?
After being released from PT after a knee injury, I felt unsatisfied with the way that my body had gone through this injury, and I wasn't able to move like I used to. Wasn't able to squat. I wasn't able to sit crisscross applesauce with my kids. So I wanted to get back to the gym, do some strength training to add muscle and movement. And I didn't want to risk further injuring it, so I came to ForeverStrong, who I know was going to give me personalized attention, watch my safety, and get me to the goals that I needed to be at.
How's it worked out for you? So how long have you been training since you returned from your injury?
It's been about 2 years since returning from being released from PT, and I almost cannot tell the difference between the legs. They are functioning almost equally. Still need stretching, but I think I will forever need stretching.
Yeah.
But I can squat, I can deadlift, and I can move, which is, I think, the most important thing, is moving with the kids.
Yeah. And are there any other results that you'd like to share that you've noticed?
Since coming back, I have lost close to 15 pounds. So a side effect, a positive side effect.
Right, exactly. That's great. And what do you like best about the program?
I enjoy the variability and the adaptability. So the variability, every 8 weeks it changes, so long enough that you don't get bored of the program. And then the adaptability, so that if either for one workout or 20 workouts I can't do a particular move, I know the coaches, the instructors have my back and can modify if needed.
Yeah, we love doing that. That's why we do this. We want to make sure the program's for you. Well, thank you. And then what would you say to someone who's considering joining?
ForeverStrong is the best of two worlds. It's the best of personal training and group fitness. So you have the accountability and the watchful eye of a personal trainer to push you through to your goals, as well as keeping you safe. And you have the social aspect of group fitness, where you come in and have fun and hang out with your friends, which include the instructors.
Yeah, exactly. So Michelle, how do you justify making the investment in yourself?
Since coming back, there has been, for whatever reason, either I've gone on vacation or just needed a mental break of, not coming to the gym or not continuing to work out at home. Things suffer. My mood suffers. If my mood suffers, the kids' mood suffers, the family structure starts to deteriorate. So the investment that I put on myself to come into the gym, to spend money on me, will make everybody's life so much happier, and it is worth it.
Great. Well, thank you. We love having you here. I mean that. I know you know I mean that. All right. If you watch this to the end and you want to take up Michelle's offer to give it a try, use her name, Michelle Slingloff, and we'll give you a free week.